Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to make some oven-baked pork chops. They're going to be tender and also juicy. So the first thing we're going to do is rinse our pork chops. Now that our pork chops are rinsed off and dried, we are going to add our seasonings. Let's start with some pepper. And you can season these to your liking, ladies and gentlemen. It's really up to you. Yeah, I know I love me some pepper. We're gonna come in with some Larry's seasoning salt. Some Cajun. That's gonna change the color of our chops, y'all, believe me or not. It's gonna change its color. Then we have some garlic powder. And some onion powder. And we're going to rub that in, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. We're going to use some Italian dressing. And I'm sure it's going to boost up our flavor. I've used this several times before. It does work. You only need like 1/4 of a cup, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to blend that in together. That color from the Cajun, ladies and gentlemen. Is that beautiful or what? Let's add in some red hot. I remember I made this one time years ago for my dad, and he was like, "What did you put on that pork chop?" He didn't eat spicy foods. So I was like, red hot. He was like, "Oh, that tastes good." Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it has been 30 minutes since our pork chops has been in the refrigerator. So now, let's take off the cling wrap, the plastic wrap from the top. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it, y'all? I'm gonna coat the bottom of our pan here with olive oil spray. And then we're going to place our pork chops directly on the bottom of our dish. I was going to cook them on 350, but I'm going to turn it down to 325. I've sliced up some more onions to go on top. We're about to give it some flavor. Cover it so it won't dry out, ladies and gentlemen, okay? 325, I will let you know exactly how long it took to bake once I come back. See you back shortly. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is our finished product of our baked pork chops. 2 hours in the oven, ladies and gentlemen. And this is how it looks. Nice and juicy. Yes. Let me zoom in so y'all can see it a little better. These are our pork chops. Ooh, yes. Yeah, see that red color on there? That's from the Cajun. Look at that, y'all. It's falling off the bone. Straight off the bone. Tender and juicy, yes. With our onions at the bottom. Well, ladies and gentlemen, these are our 2 pork chops off of our dish that came out of the oven. I mashed some sweet potatoes and some collard greens I made. And I'll leave those links below. But look at this pretty color, y'all. Does that not look pretty? I mean, these are so juicy. I want y'all to get a bite. Hold on 1 second. Thank you, Jesus. What do I want to bite off first? The pork chop? You really don't need a fork. I mean, a knife. Seriously, you don't need a knife for this, y'all. It is so tender. Look at that. Y'all get a bite? Look at that, y'all. Juicy and tender. The meat is falling off from the bone, y'all. So I'd like to thank you for watching the video. Thank you for helping me reach 5,000 subscribers as well. Our next goal is 5,500. We can do it, ladies and gentlemen. Go ahead and like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Share. Leave your comments or your question below. I will respond within 24 hours. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next video upload. Until then, again, God bless you. Y'all have a beautiful week, and I'll see you in the next video.